This is Biotronics Magnetotherapy plus laser therapy. Magnetotherapy is 7 Tesla, and laser therapy is 5600 milliwatt class 3 laser. You can see this is the device, main device. This is the quality of the product. You can see this is the touch screen, and this is the adjustable applicator stand. So you can adjust anywhere where you need to place the patient, and over the patient you can use this applicator. So now I will show you the demo. This is the applicator. You can see this is the quality of the product, and this is the heavy duty applicator, and this is the magneto applicator, and this is laser handle. You can see this is the laser handle. There are 16 diodes in the same, where 808 nanometer there are 8 diodes, and 650 nanometer there are 8 diodes. So total power of the cluster is 5600 milliwatt, while the other models in the market is having class 3 power in milliwatts. This is 5600 milliwatt. So they are having 750 up to 750 milliwatt, but this is as a cluster probe 5600 milliwatt. So this is the stand of the same, you can see, and this is the stand. You can move the same from here and there. By loosening the same, you can see the quality of the product too. So now I will show you the demo of the device. I have already filled the same with the water. You need to fill the same with the water. I have already filled the water in the same before operating. You have to fill the water. Now you can see I have stitched it down from the back side. You can see Biotronic solution forever, because we are the importer of the device. And if you click on the same, you will be asked for the password. The default password is 6 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Sure, you can also modify the same. So and can share the same with your the person who can who you authorize to use the device. So you can modify the password and share the password with the person who is authorized to use the device, and that person can with that password only the person can use the device. So I am putting the default password. Sure, you can see the touchscreen interface. This is the magneto section, this is the laser section. So you can see this is the magneto section, where you can adjust the timer up, down, energy up, down. So here you see MT and ST. MT is the frequency range. MT is the frequency range, lower frequency range from 1 hertz to 50 hertz. So you can see in the empty mode there are 3 frequency, F1, F2, F3. While I select the ST, this is the empty. So M1, F1, F2, F3. So with that applicator, if you go for the empty mode, you can select these 3 frequency within 1 to 50 hertz. Like F1 I select the lower, like I select 2 hertz, like I select 3 hertz, and F2 if I select like I selected in the medium range, and F3 I go for the like I selected 28. So you can see I have selected within the range 3 frequencies, 1 to 50 hertz. So now I will show you the demo of the same. If I start the same, you can see first T1 is blinking, then T2 you can see I'm getting the magnetic field in my hand. I'm feeling the field, and this is the T2 frequency, which is glowing over here. You can see when the same will be switched to F3. Now the same has been switched to F3. It is 28 hertz now. So all the 3 frequency will keep on rotating, which you have already reset it in the empty mode. This is the T1. So now I'm stopping the same, and so this is the empty mode, where you can set the frequency between 1 to 50 hertz, It's the lower range frequency, and you can set three frequency over here within that range. So you will get the you will get all these three frequency in the applicator. Energy range, this is 30% right now. You can increase or decrease according to the need. 30% was quite enough for me to feel the magnetic field on my hand, and now you can see these are the various body parts, where there are 10 body parts where you can use the magnetotherapy: elbow, lumbar spine, shoulder, groin, cervical spine, hip joint, hand, thigh, knee, ankle. So if you select hand, it will show the indication of hand. If you select shoulder, it will show the shoulder. And all the recommended parameter, timing, energy, and the condition in which you can use the same is already mentioned here. The doctor can use the suggested one or can vary the same according to the patient requirement, patient illness, and the doctor analysis. So like if I selected hand, it is recommended for carpal tunnel syndrome. Like I selected thigh for muscle strain, muscle soreness, and the energy, and everything is recommended. Like if I select for the hand, and I make sure, and now I'll go for the ST range. For ST range, I have selected because I have already shown you empty mode. Now I will show the ST mode. ST mode, I have selected hand, and in the ST mode, these are the automatic frequency, and these are the higher frequency. Why? Because the range start is from 100 hertz to 300 kilohertz. So this is the automatic frequency state. All the frequencies are already preset: F1, F2, F3. You can see over here. You have to just select the body area and start the same, and then you will get the ST frequency. You can see I have started the same. You can see the graph varying, and you can see I am getting the and magnetic field EMF. This is the ST frequency. This is the higher frequency range, you can see, and these are keep on varying according to the preset frequency. I can increase the strength also. Like I have increased the strength, and I am feeling the same on my hand, and I can go up to 100%. So this is the ST mode you have seen. I have already shown the empty mode. In the ST mode, lower frequency range, from 1 to 50 hertz, you can set in three frequency in between, which will keep on varying. And in ST mode, there are automatic frequency with the higher range, where you can this is already presetted according to the treatment area, and the frequency range there is 100 hertz to 300 kilohertz. So now you can see this is the empty and ST modes, and this is the magneto section. Now this is the laser section. Laser, we are having, this is the laser probe. You can see this is the laser probe, and you can see there are 16 diodes. 808 nanometer, there are 8 diodes. 650 nanometer, there are 8 diodes. So as a cluster power of the same is 5600 milliwatt. So you can see, and it is having the fan at the base also, to cool off the diodes and all. Now I will start the same and show you the demo. So you can see this is the 5% intensity only. This is the 5% intensity only, and you can see now I will increase the intensity. This is the 5600 milliwatt. So you can see this is the 100% intensity, and you can see the intensity on my hand, and I am feeling a prickle heat on my hand also, because that is the cold laser. But as a cluster power, it is 5600 milliwatt. So this is the continuous mode. You can also operate the same in pulse mode. Like this is the continuous mode. Now I am changing the same to the pulse mode. This is the 5 hertz frequency. You can see 5 hertz. Now I am increasing the same. 10 now. You can see the change. 20 now. You can see the change that is visible with the eye. And now 40, 80. So you can feel the difference in the pulse frequency. Now 100. So up to 100 hertz I can go, from 5 to up to 100 in the multiple of 5, 20, 40, 80. So you can see this is the continuous one. So this is the timer. You can also increase or decrease according to your need. Now I'm stopping the same. You can either use magneto on one patient or laser on other patient, or you can combine both the and at same time you can use the both simultaneously. How to use the same I will show you. You can use differently. You can combine the same also. Like this is the attachment for combining. I'm just putting the laser on the same. You can see. Now if I start the uh, like in the empty mode, I start the same, and I start the laser also, increasing the intensity. So you can see I am feeling the magnetic field as well as laser. So patient can get the effect of both the modalities, magneto as well as laser. I am getting the magnetic field on my hand also, and I am getting laser. You can see the same visible. So you can see is the empty mode, and it is keep on switching between three frequencies. And laser I have set 80% intensity in the continuity mode. I am switching the same to. So you can use both the modality at different patient, or you can use both the modality on the same patient by combining like this. So this was the complete demo of the device. If you still have any question or query relating the same, these are the stands for the laser, these are the stands for the magneto. Uh, if you still have any question or any doubt, you can mention the same in the comment section, or you can reach us on our WhatsApp number or calling number, or you can visit our website and order also. And we are Biotronics here International. We are importing the same, and you can visit or you can reach us for the purchase. Thank you for watching.